Hey, welcome to day number 16 out of 30. We are on the latter half of this sprint towards 30 days of building and launching a product into the market. I'm happy to say that as of today, day number 16, the product is finished. We'll try to throw some confetti emojis and stuff around, but the product is officially done. Yesterday, completed the Stripe and billing integration, which was quite a painstaking experience. But at the end, was able to do it. Had to kind of go back and forth. Ran into some more of the Claude usage limitations. Had to move to another chat, which again was able to pick up. Doesn't seem maybe as quickly or as easily as the last time I moved to a different chat, but again was able to pick things back up after a little bit, and was able to finish the integration. Ran a couple of initial tests. Everything seemed to work out. Yesterday, I started to move the code base to production. Today, we'll be focused on getting the production code up and running. Ran into a number of issues yesterday that was trying to use Claude to help me try to solve getting the code deployed. I'm going to be, at least initially, using a tool called Railway to both I guess, host the product, but also as the underlying database. And using GitHub as the code repository, and there's integration between the two and into to Cursor as well. So it's seemingly kind of a seamless set of tools that's able to kind of push things along. But ran into a whole bunch of issues yesterday with the deployment. So today is going to be spent on hopefully resolving the issues so the code can be successfully deployed onto web servers and into a production environment. If that is done, then hopefully tomorrow I can start testing internally with my mastermind group. And excited, right? Excited within 14 days. So, right about, or 15 days, 15 days was able to build a fully functional bot for Telegram. Again, what I learned is right throughout these videos, AI definitely has its caveats and can code and can build products from nothing, as I've learned. Again, it hasn't been tested in the real world yet, so we'll actually see how good of quality code that it is. But it seemingly is feasible to build a functional MVP product on a free stack or mostly free stack of tools and using AI, which is pretty darn awesome because this potentially opens the world to endless entrepreneurs who, like me, are not coders, don't have the technical background, but may have some great ideas. And this really opens that opportunity towards this grand vision that I have of more life work harmony and getting to $120,000 a year, potentially inside revenue that becomes a full time revenue or full time income. A lot of exciting things. And hopefully, this, once it gets out there, and potentially if I can make my first dollar on the internet on this product, will validate that the passive income side hustle kind of concept is now accessible potentially to everybody, not just technical people, which I've been held back all these years to do. So super exciting. So a little over halfway at this point, expecting to be able to fully hit the launch date by the 30th day. Super excited about that. Yesterday, I also ran the Mastermind Monday sync, which we catch up over the weekend and kind of spell out what our priorities are for the week ahead, and just have a chance to connect as a group. And lessons learned. Nothing as of yet. Again, I want to see what the difference is. It was seemingly quite easy to get the product in the development environment up and running. Again, with some caveats and errors that I ran into. Is there any difference or difficulty difference when it's on a live production environment? I think that would probably be a big lesson learning that I get over the next day or two. But yeah, very happy overall and appreciate anyone who's been watching this journey and supporting along this journey. And if it inspires anyone to want to get involved in a similar type of product or project next month, so in the beginning, or probably maybe middle of January, looking to kick off another 30-day challenge with, again, as an entrepreneur, I have endless ideas in my head, so I want to be building something else. So we'll be looking to create another mastermind group. If you're interested in joining, please reach out. Happy to speak with you. And yeah, thank you for the support. And until tomorrow.